My dear Dasarians, the non-Brahmins, Vanakkam. Be proud to be Shudras. Since your ancestors earned this title not because they were born as a low caste, as described by the evil Varnasrama theory, but because they found the formulae, the Shudras, to reach God. Let us see what Krishna Kannapiran in Tamil, the very great Sutradhari, says in his Sutra, the Karma Yogam. Even though the wise who attain Jnanam, the enlightenment, explains it in various ways, those who have not attained it would only misunderstand in different ways. Guessing is different, the experience of the enlightenment is different. No wonder Arjunan too is confused here. He who relinquishes his work only in the outer world but shakes his desires with the heart is a man of falsehood. He is the highest in the mind who does not have desire in heart but walks in the field, says Krishna Kannapiran. So action is better than passivity, and that act should be selfless and helpful to others, says Krishna. Krishna says that he who prays to the gods and does not fulfill the request when he is satisfied with his desire is a thief. He who says that what is left after giving to others is enough for him is Melan among the people. He who is planning only for himself becomes a sinner. Krishna is about to tell that this unselfish life is Yagnam. Giving Amrit stages to this martyr, the omnipresent reveals itself. Whereas the commentary authors are roaming somewhere else taking Yagam for Yagnam. Even today, royal families remain more valuable in many countries, whereas we see it clearly wiped out are the Hindu king dynasties in India who believed the Brahmin bluffs did Rajasuya Yaga, performing fire sacrifices, uttering mantras through Brahmin mouths. Lived his life as Yagnam, the non-Brahmin Mahatma Gandhi, removing the untouchability which the kings didn't care generations by generations. Naming them as Harijans, Gandhi enabled them temple entry, and because of this revolution, Gandhi was shot dead by the Brahmin caste fanatic Kotse, making Pakistan separation as an excuse. Gandhi has spearheads the world today which no king sits in. Thus, the life of one who is not sacrificing and enjoying the pleasures of the senses is the fall of the life, says Krishna. The self-realized soul who knows himself and happy does not have to act alone. Others must be unattached. Only then can one attain the Supreme Being. The unattached wise man must be acting as if he were a man of love, because they were the example of the people. Despair should not confuse people by speaking wisdom. Krishna, the non-Brahmin, declares that the one who surrenders only to me and acts unattached from me and myself is free from all bondage. Know that desire and anger are enemies. They are hiding the wisdom and enchant the man. The mind is better than the senses. Intellect is better than the mind. The soul is superior to intellect. To realize that soul, destroy the enemies, desire and anger, says the non-Brahmin Swami Kanna Paramatma as Karma Yogam. Om Nandri Vanakkam.